Namaste everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Jyoti Dubey. In this video, I am going to show you very effective yoga practices to boost our immune system. As all of you know, the entire world has been in a pandemic mode from 1.5 years. The coronavirus is a dangerous virus which has spread all over the world and creating a lot of panic in the world. The coronavirus is a challenge that we must fight together. If we remain healthy, strong and young in our mind and spirit, then yes, we will be able to fight away without any danger. Yoga plays an important role here to boost our immune system, to strengthen our body from within, reduce the stress level, anxiety, depression and brings positivity in us. So now let's practice yoga together. Let's get into the video. We are going to do Vrakshasana, the tree pose. Fold your right leg. Keep the right foot at the inner thigh of your left leg. Raise your both the arms up above the head. Join your both the palms. Straighten your entire body. Now concentrate on one point in front of you. Keep focusing. You can hold the posture for 5 to 10 breaths. These postures improve concentration, memory and willpower. Now slowly bring your arms down. Unfold your leg. Let's do on the other side. Fold your left leg at the root of the other leg. Slowly raise your both the arms up. Join your both the palms. Straighten your entire body. Keep breathing. Again hold this pose for 5 to 10 breaths. This posture stimulates the root energy center at the base of the spine and allow the vital energy to circulate from foot to the top of the spinal column. For the next practice, bring your arms in front of the chest, join your both the palms. While inhaling, spread your arms sideways. At the same time, raise your heel. Slowly bring them down. Inhale, expand your chest, raise your heel and come back. You can do this practice for 10 rounds. Synchronize your body movements with deep breathing. This practice increases your breathing and lung capacity. This practice helps to improve balance and correct postures. In this practice, do not close your eyes, keep your eyes open for the balance. This practice stimulates your heart and root energy center. Now relax down. For the next pose, fold your legs one by one from the knee and come to the Vajrasana. While inhaling, raise your arm up. While exhaling, bend forward from the lower back. Bring your arms and forehead down. You can do this practice for 5 to 10 rounds. This asana stretches and strengthens the back muscles, improves the function of adrenal glands, tones the pelvic muscles and sciatica nerve, good for back pain. This practice improves our vital capacity of lungs, strengthen our lungs and heart, reduce stress level and anger. Now hold the posture for around 10 seconds and feel the changes in your body, breath and mind. Slowly come back. Now you can keep the knees apart and bend forward. This is the variation. Hold the pose again and relax down here for a while. Slowly come up while inhalation. Bring your knees together. Bring your arms down from the sides and relax down. Now release this pose. Let's do the next practice, back stretching pose. While inhaling, slowly raise your arms up. While exhaling, bend forward from the lower back. Now try to hold your heel if possible. Bring down your head, slowly come up. If it is impossible, then you can hold your heel, ankle or any part of the leg that you can reach comfortably. Ups and down make one round. You can do this practice for 10 rounds. Remember, you have to keep your legs straight. Does not matter wherever you reach. but your leg should be straight. This practice stretches the hamstring muscles, increases flexibility in the hip joints. It tones and massages the entire abdominal and pelvic region, including the liver, pancreas, spleen, urogenital system, kidneys, and adrenal gland. You can hold the posture for 10 seconds. While inhaling, slowly come up. While exhaling, relax down. Flat on your abdomen, legs together. Keep your palms by the side of your chest. While inhaling, slowly raise your head, chest, and abdomen. While exhaling, come back. Up and down makes one round. You can do this practice 5 to 10 rounds. Curve your spine and straighten your arm by arching your back as much as possible. Tilt your head back and look up. It's the excellent practice people with respiratory disorders such as asthma. This practice reduces stress and fatigue, improve blood circulation, expand the chest and improve the vital capacity of lungs, improve the flexibility of the upper and middle back. Remember, you have to synchronize the movements with deep breathing. Now let's hold the pose for around 10 seconds. Feel nice stretches in your entire body. While exhaling, slowly come back and relax down. Let's move on to the next practice, Dhanurasana, bow pose. Fold your legs from the knees, hold your ankles. Now arch the back and lift the thighs, chest and head together. Keep your arms straight. Come back. This makes one round. You can do this practice for 5 to 10 rounds. While inhaling, you have to raise the body, pull the body. While exhaling, relax down. Practice stimulate the solar plexus chakra, the third eye energy center. This is one of the powerful poses which stimulate the entire body. This practice strengthens our respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, reproductive system. Let's hold the posture for around 10 seconds and relax down. You can relax down in a crocodile pose. Keep your legs wide apart, heel facing to each other, elbows on the floor, palms on the cheeks. This pose gives natural curve to the backbone. You can hold this position for around 30 seconds. Relax down. For next practice, lie down on your back, fold your both the legs, keep your feet hip distance apart, hold your ankles with your palms, or else you can keep your palms by the side of the body, whichever is comfortable for you. I am holding it. While inhaling, you have to raise your trunk and buttocks up as far as possible. While exhaling, you have to bring it down. Up and down makes one round. You can do this practice for 5 to 10 rounds. This practice strengthens and stimulates the throat energy center. If we talk about at physical level, it strengthens our respiratory system. Very good for asthma, bronchial problem and thyroid condition. This practice reduces stiffness of the back and improves the flexibility of the backbone, so it is very good in managing back pain. Let's hold the pose for around 10 seconds. While exhaling, slowly relax down, unfold your both the legs, relax down in Shavasana. Hope you enjoy all the practices. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Bye.